Hey everyone, I'm Sumiran and welcome to my aviation channel. Today we are going behind the scenes of one of the most fascinating places in the world, the airport. From the outside it looks calm, but inside it's pure organized chaos. Every day around 10 million people fly across the globe. That's like entire population of Delhi taking off every single day. Airports are like mini cities with their own power, water, transport, and air traffic systems. They handle thousands of flights, luggage, security checks, and passenger movements simultaneously. Did you know some airports have their own fire departments, hospitals, and even police stations inside? Let's pull back the curtain and see exactly how an airport works. Buckle up, this is going to be fun. As the plane enters the airspace, it's already under the watchful eyes of air traffic control. Every plane is tracked like a moving dot on a radar screen. Controllers make sure each flight is perfectly spaced. Pilots adjust the speed and altitude, lining up perfectly for a smooth landing. Landing isn't just lowering wheels. Every adjustment, every second is carefully calculated. Once it touches down, ground control directs the aircraft along the taxiways to its gate. The marshaller's bright orange wands direct the plane with centimeter perfect precision. Meanwhile, ground vehicles like tugs, baggage carts, and fuel trucks spring into action. Engines stop, chokes in place, and the plane rests. But for the ground crew, this is just a beginning of preparing for the next flight. With the plane parked and passengers disembarking, the action moves to the terminal. Airports handle tens of thousands of passengers daily, from families to business travelers. The terminal is like city under one roof. Check-in, security, lounges, shops, and restaurants all operating simultaneously. Passengers first arrive at check-in counters. IDs are verified, boarding passes are printed, and luggages are tagged. Conveyor belts guide bags through automated systems that sort them for each flight. Big airports handle thousands of bags every hour with minimal errors thanks to barcodes and scanning systems. Next comes security. Every bag and passenger is screened to ensure safety. Advanced scanners detect prohibited items while staff keep everything moving quickly. For international flights, immigration checks passports and visas. Airports combine technology and human expertise to make sure everyone boards safely. At the departure gates, passengers wait, shop, or grab bite. Outside, the aircraft is refueled, cleaned, and stocked with the catering. Boarding calls guide passengers to the plane, where boarding passes are scanned and they step inside. It's a boarding time. Timing here is critical. Even a small delay can ripple through the airport schedule. After passengers leave, the aircraft is prepared for next flight. Baggage is loaded, unloaded, fuel topped up, catering delivered, and cabins cleaned. Quick coordination ensures planes leave on time. Turnaround is one of the busiest periods for ground staff. Passengers walk through the jet bridge or climb the air stairs for remote base. The cabin crew welcomes everyone on board while ground staff finish final checks outside. Every minute across the world, thousands of passengers step from terminal to aircraft, connecting continents through this simple yet magical moment. With boarding complete, the aircraft is pushed back from gate. Engine start, pilots run pre-flight checks and passengers are settled. Taxiways guide the aircraft to the runway safely. Ground control monitors every move, ensuring no conflicts on the way to takeoff. Did you know some airports have specific noise abatement routes to reduce city noise during takeoff? The aircraft lines up, throttles open, and takes off. Tower control hands over to departure controllers, guiding planes into safe flight paths. Takeoff is most critical phase. Speed, angle, and coordination must be perfect. And that's a day in the life of an airport. Non-stop operation, connecting cities, countries, and people. Thousands of staff, from controllers to ground crew, cleaners, and security, work around the clock to keep everything running smoothly. Every flight you take involves meticulous planning, teamwork, and precision, from takeoff to touchdown, from luggage handling to passenger safety. So, next time, if you walk through an airport, notice the coordination, scale, and care that make travel possible. Airports aren't just places to catch a flight, they are living, breathing ecosystems, moving millions of people safely every day. I'm Sumiran, and if you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe for more aviation stories. Clear skies and safe travels.